Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to download the Paychex Flex application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To download the Paychex Flex application, first of all, open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box and type in Paychex Flex and search. Look for this application from the search result and tap on the Get button. Paychex Flex is an all-in-one human resource and payroll platform offered by Paychex. It helps businesses manage various HR tasks, including payroll, time and attendance, benefits administration, and document management. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on Open and open the Paychex Flex application on your iPhone. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.